Good morning students, I am Vetri Chelvi from Vetri and Vetri Made Chemistry. Today video lesson topic is redox reaction. Okay, let us see the question. In the balanced chemical reaction, one equation is given. The stoichiometry A, B, C, D, we have to do it after complete balancing of the equation. It is Ames 2005. Now let us see the first, let me write first the reaction, then we will start to analyze the problem what is there. Okay, I am simply copy down the question, that's all. Yes gives C water and Di2. So what is our first work is we have to balance it and write the stoichiometry. So that is our task. Okay, before going to this start your work, you identify the oxidation state of iodine. Here it is 0, here it is minus 1, here it is 3 into 2, 6, 6 minus 1, so it is 5. So what I am going to do is first I am identifying plus 5 to 0, this one I am writing, plus 5 to 0. So what is happening? Decreases, so it is reduction. Reduction means gain of electrons. This is first knowledge. Next one is minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0 means that is oxidation number increases. So it is oxidation. So what it is? Loss of electron. Okay, next after identification, the tip I am giving is split AC. What is the meaning of it? This equation should be split into two equations. So first one oxidation of, second is reduction of. Anyhow you have to split and write. Okay, next one is you have to balance this one. AC means A for atoms. After completing balancing the atom, you have to balancing the charge. So that rule you have to please keep it in the mind by small tips of split AC. Okay, now I am going to write split the reaction. So what I am going to take is the first one, that is the oxidation half. Okay, what is the oxidation half? It is I minus gives I2. What is given? Loss of electron. Keep it in the mind. It is split. What is the next condition? You balance the atoms. So 2 iodine, yes, work is over. Next charge. Here it is 2 minus. So I have to give this side 2 electron, then only it is balanced. Parallelly, I am self-taking loss of electron. This is by losing the electron you are getting. So knowledge is matching. Now I am going to the second law. What is the reduction reaction? You write as it is IO3 minus. It is in acid medium. So I have to take it in the account of H plus gives, and water. Since you are taking H plus, you have to take water plus this itself is oxidized to I2. So that also we have to take it. Next also the reaction is ready. Next I have to balance the atoms. So this is very very important children. Very very helpful also. Atoms. You start here. Iodine. Here you see the iodine which is 2 number. So put it. Whenever balancing parallelly you follow it. 3 into 2 6 oxygen. So here. What is next? Hydrogen. 6 into 2 12. So 12. Okay, so like that you are completing balancing. Okay, over. So what is our next work is, what is the charge balancing? Here it is 2 minus 12 plus charge. So what is the difference? 10 plus is excess here. So I have to put here 10 electrons. Okay, parallelly I am verifying. It is what is it called as a reduction. What is reduction? Gain of electron. So electron is gained here, electron is lost here. So matching the definitions also. Everything going smoothly. Next what we should do is both the reactions on the same medium. So whatever transfer of the electron should be taken in between to this. So it requires 10 electron means this has to supply 10 electron. So because of that, this equation takes in 5 times of the speed. So now I am multiplying the overall the first reaction into 5. So 5 into 2 is become 10. Here 5, here I am writing stoichiometry 5. 5 into 2, it is 10 electron. So the reaction is steady. Now we have to add both reaction. Let me write here. Whenever you are adding, you match with that, because you have to write our task is A, B, C, D. So this order should be maintaining. So write with the maintaining of the order, this is 2IO3 minus plus, I should write I minus. I minus is here. 10 I minus plus, H plus is there. Here my H plus, 12 H plus. Okay. Then what else is here? This 10 electron. This one with the 10 electron you cancel. Okay. Now you give arrow. What is written here? Water. Write water. Don't hurry up. You have to parallel with that. Okay. 6 water plus iodine. Here you are having 5 plus 1, 6 iodine. So our work is over. Then what is it? You can see all are even numbers. Cancel it. Here on cancelling 5. On cancelling. That is you have to divide by 2. That's all. Simplify. So this is 6. And here it is 3. And here it is 3. So my answer what I am getting is 5, 6, 3, 3. Same order I am maintaining. So parallelly come and verify the 5, 6, 3, 3. So this is my answer. Okay children, very simple. You split oxidation reduction and the atom balance, charge balance, maintain the same order, then you select the answer. Okay, next we are moving. This type of question or maybe the same question we can expect for your 2020 NEET question. Practice well children. Now let us go to the next question. Which of the following species can function both as a oxidizing as well as reducing agent? You are provided with the 4 species which is going to act as a both oxidizing and reducing agent. So what is the meaning of oxidizing agent? Mean what happened in the species oxidation number is, it is acting as oxidation number, mean species oxidation number acting as an oxidizing agent itself is getting reduced. That means its oxidation number should be decreases. If it is acting as a reducing agent, mean species oxidation number, it is acting as a reducing, mean it is acting as a reducers, mean it reduces other, itself is getting raised. Its own oxidation number should be increases. So this is the condition. Any species acting, whether oxidizing agent mean its number decreases. If it is acting as a reducing agent mean its oxidation number to be increases. Now we have to go and see which species is matched for this both category. Let us start to do with the calculation of oxidation number. I am putting Cl minus. What is the oxidation number? I am writing here the oxidation number of the species. It is -1. Next I am writing B. ClO4 minus. Oxidation number 4 into 2, 8. 8 minus 1, 7, that is +7. And C. ClO minus. Oxidation number of oxygen is -2. -2 from the -1 you are having what is called +1. So this or you are having little bit doubt, mean you do it here. Just for your sake I am doing. And this is you keep it as a X. As an example let us take it. This is you keep it as a X plus 1 oxygen oxidation state is -2. Go to the should be balanced with the species charge. Now X is equal to -2 become +2 and -1. So now what is the oxidation state of the your X is +1. So what I told is this is oxygen is -2. From there you minus of 1 we are getting 1. So that is your +1. This technique only I used it here. You might be known. Okay. Since it is little bit confusing I did for the clarity of you. Now coming to the last option MnO4 minus. 4 into 2 8. 8 minus 1 7. It is +7. Okay. Now what is our work is which species having probability of both. Whether they are being able to go up and come down. Like that it should be there. Now you have to verify oxidation number 2 things only. One is chlorine. So for it, what is minimum oxidation number and what is maximum oxidation number we have to calculate. Minimum how you have to calculate mean, let me complete first maximum oxidation number. Valence electron is maximum. For chlorine, valence electron is 7. So what is maximum oxidation state of chlorine is +7. For minimum oxidation state calculation, valence electron minus of 8. So +7 minus 8. So what you are getting is -1. So minimum oxidation state is -1. For chlorine, you are having -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All these are plus numbers. Okay, these are the range for your chlorine. From -1 to +7 is the range of the oxidation number of your chlorine. In this category, in the first one, you are with the, let me write, -1. So this is your A. The second one, it is +7. It is your B. Okay, in the C, what is the chlorine? It is in the +1. It is the C. What happened to your D is, it is in its different species, MnO4 minus with the oxidation state +7. How we can calculate this is, manganese, it is the D block element and its outer configuration is 3d5 4s2 because its atomic number is 25. So this is your outer configuration of manganese. 5 plus 2 7 electron. So its maximum oxidation state is +3. So what is it? It is in the maximum oxidation state. Now what I told this condition is, species in the eligibility or its oxidation number has to be increased as well as decreased. What is the knowledge is, it should be in the middle. For example, if you take it is in the lower category, it cannot come further. For example, it can act as its oxidation can to increase. So it can increase mean it's going on, its nature is going to increase as mean it can act as a reducing agent only. If it is +7 mean its oxidation number going to decrease. So it is acting as a oxidizing agent. So these two categories are either here it is reducing agent, it cannot act as oxidizing. This is oxidizing agent, cannot act as a reducing. Okay, so maximum and minimum cannot work as a dual. Same knowledge is applicable. It is in the maximum, so it is acting as an oxidizing agent only. Oxidizing agent only, not as a reducing agent. Okay, so finally what is the conclusion is this is, so condition is the oxidation should be at the middle. That is the knowledge. Then only it can act as a reducing agent or oxidizing. Let me take it. This is reducing agent mean what happened is oxidation number should be increases probability. Till 7 it can increase. Okay, suppose it is acting as a reducing agent mean it oxidizing increases. It acts as an oxidizing agent mean oxidizes others. Itself should be reduced. Itself reduced mean its number is here, probability is here. So it can move towards up as well as the down. So the species of C is can act as a both oxidizing and reducing agent. So based on that we are identifying the answer. The question is very important with the covering lot of knowledge. Prepare well children and subscribe my channel. Thank you.